Welcome to Session 8. When 2 points share the same y-coordinate, the segment is horizontal. When they share the same x-coordinate, it is vertical. In either case, distance is one absolute difference. You do not need the full distance formula for a segment that stays on one grid line. From 1, 2 to 7, 2, the y values match. Subtract the x values. The absolute value of 7 minus 1 is 6. There are 6 spaces between the points. Counting grid dots instead of spaces would give the wrong result. From 3, 2 to 3, 9, the x values match, so the segment is vertical. Subtract the y values. The absolute value of 9 minus 2 is 7. A distance is never negative, which is why absolute value is built into this shortcut. For points -4, 3, and 5, 3, compute the absolute value of 5 minus -4. Subtracting a negative becomes addition, so the difference is 9. Parentheses around the negative coordinate make the arithmetic clear and protect against sign errors. Opposite corners are -2, 1, and 4, 6. The width is the absolute difference of the x values. That's 6. The height is the difference of the y values. That's 5. The area is 30 square units, while the perimeter is twice 6 plus 5, or 22 units. If a segment spans 5 grid intervals, and each interval represents 3 meters, the actual distance is 15 meters. First, count intervals, then multiply by the scale. The coordinate difference and the physical distance are only the same when each interval represents 1 unit. What is the vertical distance from -2, -5 to -2, 4? The x values match. Take the absolute difference of the y values. 4 minus -5 is 9. The distance is 9 units. You can now measure horizontal and vertical segments efficiently and use them to analyze coordinate rectangles. Next, slanted segments lead us back to the Pythagorean theorem. Continue at www.bridgetoexam.com.